Hey all! Today I'm going to show you how to make money bank with paper cups. Welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini and I'm back with another interesting DIY. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos, because you're gonna miss out some interesting and creative DIY stuff. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY. Cut the sheet in small pieces and roll it around the paper cup. With scissors, let's cut the bottom of the cup and attach them with Fevicol as shown. piggy bank in honeybee theme is ready. You can give it a try and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.